Hey, welcome to my channel. Today, we will be learning how to barely survive a zombie apocalypse. Because when the end of the world does come, will you be prepared? Probably not, but at least you'll die funny. So let's get started. Rule number 1, don't scream like your ex just texted. Stay calm. Okay, picture this. You're peacefully sipping your coffee, minding your own business, when suddenly you see hordes of flesh-hungry zombies outside your window. Your first instinct is probably to scream bloody murder and run around in circles like a headless chicken. But trust me, this is not the best course of action. Sure, this may work in a rom-com where the only person you have to escape from is Ryan Reynolds. But in a real zombie apocalypse, this will only make you the center of attention, and not in a good way.
Really?
Certified drama queen, number 2, aim for the head. Not like your love life, aim better this time. When fighting off zombies, always aim for the head. Just like that time you accidentally hit the power button instead of the volume one on your mom's TV remote. You gotta make sure you get it right the first time, because missing is not an option. Unless you want to be a zombie chow hound, that is. Rule 3, don't stock up on toilet paper. It's not COVID, it's zombies. By now, we all know how important it is to wipe our behinds after we take a dump. So when the zombie apocalypse hits, you may want to consider ditching the Charmin and investing in some good old-fashioned bidets. Because let's face it, no one wants to be wiping their butts with leaves and twigs. Wrong pandemic. Corinne. Number 4, you don't need to outrun zombies. Just your slowest friend. When the shizzy hits the fizzy and you find yourself surrounded by hungry zombies, your best bet is to make a run for it. But you don't need to worry about outrunning the undead. Just focus on running faster than your slowest friend, because if you don't, well, they're gonna trip you up and eat your brains. Oops, sorry, bro, it's survival of the fittest. Number 5, learn to cook canned beans. Gordon Ramsay ain't coming to save you. In the event that fresh food becomes scarce during the zombie apocalypse, you may have to turn to canned goods for sustenance. And let me tell you, canned beans are a nutritional gold mine. Just make sure you know how to cook them properly, because nobody wants a can of beans casserole, not even the zombies. Even the undead said, nah. Number 6, shower at least once a week. Zombies hate BO, but so do survivors. Let's face it, we all get a little stinky after a long week of fighting off hordes of zombies. But if you want to survive the apocalypse, you need to keep yourself clean. Otherwise, you'll be rejected by the living and the dead. Gross. So there you go. Will you survive the apocalypse? Probably not. But at least you'll die funny. YOLO. #ZombieBay. Coming soon. How to flirt with a zombie without losing your brain. Give a zombie a flower. Zombie eats flower. Dead inside. Just like your type. The end.